WNW stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around this in this 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Meiwu Technology Company Limited, absolutely cooking right now. It's 95 cents to 68% down. That's absolutely crazy. Now, it's not like I was the biggest fan of this thing, but it definitely been putting in some good numbers. It began here, and then it went as much as like 340% in a matter of like a month and a half, and then now it's kind of melting. I mean, the only thing that I can say is the likelihood that we continue to make new lows is through the roof, so that's the most likely thing that's going to happen. And finding a way to capitalize on this, I was just never the best, you know. That's why I ignore. There's like a lot of traction on that. I said like, let's make a video, but like generally speaking with WNW, technically wise, nothing in it for me. I mean, obviously the real fundamentals and whatnot, technical analysis wise, nothing in it for me, and more likely than not we're going to clear new lows. That's about it, you know. I'm just great, like not good timing, man. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.